Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. In our previous video, we covered what is support vector machine and the mathematics behind it. Today, we will do some hands-on on support vector classification using scikit-learn in Python. Let's get into the video. So today we are going to cover support vector classification. So this is the code snippet which we are going to use today. So we shall go through the code step by step and discuss about the data before we execute it. It is always a good practice to get all the required packages before we write an algorithm. Okay. So from sklearn import svm. svm is a support vector machine. This holds the classifier which is required for our classification. Next, dataset. This dataset holds the data which is required for our classification. So we will not use any real-time data. We will use this toy dataset instead. Here we are using iris data which is based on plants. So next we are importing train test split from sklearn model selection. Why should we import train test split? Because we are dealing with supervised algorithm. So we will have training and testing. So next, from sklearn matrix, import confusion matrix and accuracy. So confusion matrix is imported because we will classify whether true value is predicted as true or true value is predicted as false. So accuracy score, it is used to find what is the accuracy of an algorithm. So we have imported all the required libraries. So next, iris equal to dataset dot load of iris. We are getting the iris data from the dataset and we are storing it in an iris variable. Then we are printing that iris variable. Okay. So in this dataset we will have two values. One is data and the other one is target. So x will be data and y will be target. We use this particular x and y value because the data is already preloaded in sklearn. It is a format like it is supposed to be like this. So x will be data and y will be the target. So now let us execute this and see what is happening. So here we have printed this iris data set. We have data here. So this data is in array format which is x value. Okay. All these values 5.1, 3.5, 1.4, these are stored in x. Next, in y variable we will be having target. So all these target values are 0, 1, 2, these are stored in y. So here we have target names like setosa, versicolor, vegenica. So what are these names are representing? These are representing the target values. Like setosa is 0, versicolor is 1, vegenica is 2, like this. It is classified. So it is a multi-class. It is a multi-class classification because it has three different values. It is not like either this or that or 0 or 1 like that. So x holds data and y holds target. Next, svc equal to svm. svm is a support vector machine which we imported. So svm dot svc. So from svm we are taking support vector classification. Kernel equal to rbf comma gamma equal to auto dot fit of x comma y. There only we are fitting the whole data. Kernel equal to rbf. rbf is a radial basic function. It is a Gaussian kernel which is used majorly. the gamma equal to auto. It can also be written as scale, but when we give the value as auto, it will be selecting the value automatically. Okay. Next, x train x test, y train y test equal to train test split x5, test size is equal to 0.3, random state equal to 1. So 30% of data will be for testing and 70% of data will be for training. So next we are fitting the training and data to the model. Previously we did for whole data, so we can remove that. The model is trained now. Next we can predict the y values with x test values. Next we are creating confusion matrix and then finding the accuracy score. So we are printing this. So let us see what is happening. In this confusion matrix, first it is 14, that is okay. Secondly, it is 17 1, which means 17 values are predicted correctly and 1 is false. So next is 13. So the accuracy is 97.7, which is somewhat good. So this is what support vector classification is. In this video, we have seen how to handle support vector classification using support vector machine. On our next video, let us see what is support vector regression using sklearn in Python.